Hello. So today, just decided I'm going to build a little feeder box for my lady to give the birds a little bit of nuts and whatnot. So I just found this terribly bent, terrible shaped wood, and I'm just going to start with this. So I'm measuring it out. It's a little over 33 inches, so I'm just going to cut it down to 32 inches. And then cut it in half, so half of 32, 16. So we'll just measure 16 as the halfway mark. And mark that out. There we go. And then we'll head on over to the saw and we'll cut it. Alright, welcome back to the jankiest setup because I have not gotten my garage in order since I moved in here yet. I'm still working on getting the shed that we have in the back organized so that I can get some stuff moved, and still working on a lot of things. So unfortunately my wood shop out here is in horrible disarray, but here's my little miter saw that I've had for years, and I'm going to try and... Oh, that bow is so bad. I think I might actually mark this on the other side so that it'll at least be a little more level and not have a bevel. Can't reach anything here. Yeah, this is not ideal. I definitely need a new... I've got all these cool woodworking tools because I love woodworking, but I have the world's worst miter saw. And there's a nice split in the end, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use that. We'll see. And then you can see the split in the end because it just falls apart. It's great. So those are nice and smooth on both ends. Alright, so now we've got two sides and two front and back. Well, this all seems pretty straightforward. I just have a couple end pieces here that'll go here. It's just a square box like I said, but you know, I'm just showing people how simple this is. Alright, well, got my sled that I made a long time ago threw out here. I figured that worked pretty well for cutting this. So I'm just going to bring the blade up to the correct height here. There. Line this up. Alright, so this thing's like a canoe. It's so bowed, so I'm going to have to try and just... This is just a tray for birds, so I'm not that worried about it. It's just junk wood that I have, so let's lower this back down because I'm not going to do anything with that anymore. I could probably just... Alright, well, welcome back. We're going to go ahead and continue on here. There we go. Got most of it off. All right. So there's the box. Just gonna clean it up next and figure out hardware. All right, well, my belt sander is buried right now, so I got out my handheld belt sander. We're gonna go ahead and try this and see if we can clean up some of the edges a little. Before, so not a bad little box. Now I just gotta figure out the hardware, maybe do a little edge work. That's it. All right, getting the table I made set up that's still half built. Seems to be the trend that I'm displaying that I half build things. I think that might be truer than I want to admit. So I'm gonna raise this up. We are going to throw this bit in here and then lock it down. Throw this back on. Lower this back down. That should work. Kind of like this being here though, because it works. This is my dust collector I just tested for the very first time, and it seems like it's working pretty good as far as sucking everything out. So we're going to try and use this, see what we can come up with here. There's that. Let's move this over. We'll just put it right about there. That looks good. It doesn't move. This can get put away. Oh, I closed the drawer like a ding dong. Let me pull that back out. There we go. This goes back in here. And this gets plugged in here. All right. Let's try that and see if it works. I'd just like to show you how efficient this thing was though. Look at this. I mean, cutting that was the only thing left over from routing the edges of this. This little thing I made works pretty well. Alright, so real quick, I found these brackets. They were L brackets, but I just used my vise that I haven't mounted yet because I haven't got anything set up. And I just clamped them in there and hammered them over to make a bend because I'm planning on mounting these to the back of the box so that it hooks on the fence out in the yard. So, problem is, it's got 2 screws in the back, and if you look through this side, there is no way to get to it to screw the screw in, so I got to drill a hole. So that's what I'm doing, is I mounted one of the brackets in the vise here, and I'm attempting to drill a hole through so that I can have a place to put my bit. So it's gonna be a little noisy for a second because I'm turning this shop back on to suck the metal particles. God, how thick is this? I was beginning to think that was never going to go through, and then it went through. There's one. Here's the other one, just going to mark the location of where I need the bit to go through to screw that screw in. And clamp it in the... Alright, well, here we are back. Got the brackets bent, got the through holes drilled, so we should be able to do this. So... I'm going to grab a drill bit real quick. Well, this might be difficult to see, but right, like so. I think I might put a piece of block on the bottom and the back to keep it more level, but it definitely holds, so that's what we were looking for. All right, it's the next day. It got too dark last night, so I added one item to the box. I'll show you real quick. Here we go. I added this piece of wood right here. This basically supports the bottom of it against the fence once we mount it. So I'll show you that real quick when we get it mounted on the fence. I'm bringing my lady along. There she is. All right, so just hook it on the top like so, and then set it down, and that's how it rests. And then we put nuts in it.
Not shelled though.
That's fine.
It's not gonna matter.
I don't think so. We normally will put peanuts in the shell, but we're out of them, so we're just putting some regular peanuts in for the birds.
So they'll like them.
That's about it. Thanks for watching.
Shake it?
Oh wait, we gotta shake the box. Just lift up the front and then up. Yeah, like that. Tilt and then lift. There you go. So we shake the box to let the birds know that the food's out there so that they'll start coming. Keep going, tilt up right here so this hooks on like that. Both sides, there we go. There we go, and that's it. Now thanks for watching. Hopefully the birds will come.